So you guys already wrote your hook. Now, if you still feel like you need to make your hook better, you absolutely can do that. But we're going to move on today and we're going to go to our thesis statement. Now, the thesis statement is our definitive stance on where we are on bullying in this case. So, should we step in or stay out? You have to make a definitive statement, and that is going to be your thesis. Okay? So, you have to choose a side. Now, once you've chosen your side, you're going to write a thesis statement. A thesis statement is one sentence. So, guys, seriously, today you're writing one sentence, but it needs to be very clear, and we need to know exactly where you stand on this matter. And the matter we're talking about is bullying. So, do we step in or do we stay out? Now, here are the phrases you must use to start your thesis statement. Any of these you can use, okay? But you have to choose one of these for your thesis statement, okay? It's really that simple. Choose one of these, finish your sentence, and that's what we will be grading today. So, your hook. If I were you, I would double check on that and make sure it's what you want it to be. And then you write your thesis statement. This will be your first paragraph of this argumentative paper or your opinion paper, either way. So your first paragraph will be your hook and your thesis statement. So your first paragraph should be a minimum of 3 sentences, 3 to 5. I don't want you to go over 5, and you can't be under 3. So make sure that it is. Let's see, what else? So make sure that we're convinced your thesis statement is very clear. Make sure that's very clear. And then I'm also going to attach a document below so you can begin your actual paper. Now, your thesis statement, you're going to type it into the form like you did with the hook, and I'm going to grade it immediately. So that'll be graded immediately. But once you're done typing in your thesis statement, you need to combine your hook and your thesis statement on the document that we are providing. That is the document where, when we're all done with this, that's where your paper will be. And we're just going to do step by step, okay? So again, your thesis statement is what you're doing today. You'll type it into the form that I'm providing. I'll grade it immediately, but you need to put your hook and your thesis statement on that document, that Google document that I'll also be providing. That's going to be your first paragraph. Remember, your first paragraph should be 3 to 5 sentences, 3 at the least, 5 at the most.